Security whips up in Kamjong district after the March 16 Chashad village tragic incident. Victim villagers in despair with no roofs over their heads. And 37 candidates including NCB Chief Siraj Pawar and Union Minister Ramdas Atwale elected unopposed to the Rajya Sabha. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. After the tragic incident at Chashad village of Kamjong district in the wee hours of March 16, CRPC Section 144 has been imposed at Kamjong district headquarters and security has beefed up to avoid any further unwanted incidents. Victim villagers are in despair with no roofs on their heads. Impact News PCR Director Saikom Ruben and camera person Johan Arambam bring you a report.
Top officials led by ADG of Manipur Police are keeping a strict vigil at Chashad village in Kamjong district to avoid any mishap after the March 16 tragic fire incident in the village brought on by land controversies with a neighboring village. Around 150 houses and Linky Memorial Academy catering to around 360 students in the village were burnt down in the fire.
Wabadi yam waye hayvatare habidi jummayam chakharbanina ate dagi relief kaika ekoi gi damak pangbiba yam la arasuko ekoi adum wai yum leidabanina sida station tawrga leibanina do chak chaba ising thakba ahan nupi angang suyam leye asi singi sizinaba pot singsi marangkai nadi
Around 700 villagers were rendered homeless in the aftermath of the incident. They are currently taking refuge at Kuki Baptist Convention Center Church Chashad and at the office of Eastern Kuki Chiefs Association. Generous people and CSOs have started extending relief materials to the victim villagers. Social activist Ngachonmi Ramshang has donated 100 bags of rice, 2 bags of pulses, 2 bags of potatoes and 102 blankets. He appeals to the people of the state not to incite communal issue out of the incident. The social activist appeals to everyone to extend cooperation in bringing normalcy in the village.
Shumaina yamna inhuman oiba thodok thokani habagi expectation kana su leiramoina thajai mayamna changaga support toraga okoi punna hingminabagi lambi ama thinaba aduga mangkhiba pot mayam si semgat minaba habasi okoi miyam changminaraga hominasi habasi okoi gi appeal tawjage okoi gi Chashad ki responsible oiramba leaders mayam neighboring ki community ki leaders mayam da wari sai mokoi gi darka oiba government da appeal toba yaba aduga individual okoi kari pangba yaba habasi okoi khanaraga yam thuna resettle tonaba habasi okoi khanagre.
Victim villagers have appeals to the government to rebuild their houses and to take necessary security measures for them. They also appeals to the authorities concerned not to let such incident occur again in the state.
Isona simba mi khakdani hoise adu mafam mathangda asigumba thodoksi amuk thokdanangai appeal tawninge.
For Impact News reporter Saikom Ruben and camera person Arambam Yohan, this is Joyce Rusham, Impact News, Kamjong district.
On the other hand, Government of the People's Republic of Nagaland NSC and IM in a press release said blaming the NSC and IM and the Tangkhul community for the Chashad incident by various Kuki organizations is unfounded. The press release further said the incident would not have occurred if not for violation of laws by Chashad villagers. It said tension arose because villagers of Kamjong were blamed for setting ablaze of paddy fields by unknown miscreants. Kamjong Ukrul Road was blocked and because their truck and petrol pumps were set ablaze. BJP Imphal Central District carried out coronavirus awareness campaign in and around Quaramban Market today. Campaigners handed out leaflets on protective measures against the pandemic disease to passerby. Taking part in the campaign, President of BJP Imphal Central District A. Punyabanta said similar campaign will be launched at other markets of Imphal city, especially at Singjamai, Lamlong and Palace compound areas.
पृथ्वी हजिकी किनारब पैंडमिक वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन औथोखब अखोगी कोरोना वायरस अखोगी नोवेल कोविड-19 है खंगनरीब साथीग्रब महिकसीदगी अखोइना चेक्सिन थौरां लौखटनब अखोगी मियाम तिन मफम हायगदी अखोई इमा कैथेल से लाक्चदुना अखोई बीजेपी इम्फाल डिस्ट्रिक्ट की सेंट्रल डिस्ट्रिक्ट की टीम चिंग पुनजनदुना अखोगी सुम अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम मचा अमा अंथोप लाक्चबने अखोइना सिगी मफम इमा कैथेल जे लोइर मतुंगदा अखोइना सिंगजामई अमसुंग कोनुंग ममांगी इमा कैथेल लेरिबसिंजे से अखोइना मफम चतना awareness program
Proscribed Kangleipa Communist Party Military Council Progressive in a press release declared 15 hours general strike from 6 a.m. till 8 p.m. on March 21, condemning the BJP-led state government for nominating titular King Leshembasana Jauba for the Rajya Sabha election. KCPMC Progressive also announced permanent boycott of the titular king for standing against the wishes of the people. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 37 candidates being elected unopposed to the Rajya Sabha. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Afternoon News. 37 ruling and opposition party candidates, including Nationalist Congress Party Chief Sarad Pawar, Union Minister of State for Social Justice Ramdas Atwale and Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Harivansh Narayan Singh were elected unopposed to the Rajya Sabha on Wednesday. The deadline for the withdrawal of nomination for 55 Rajya Sabha seats spread over 17 states ended on Wednesday. 7 seats in Maharashtra, 6 in Tamil Nadu, 2 in Haryana, 2 each in Chhattisgarh and Telangana, 4 in Orissa, 5 each in Bihar and West Bengal, 3 in Assam and 1 seat in Himachal Pradesh were elected unopposed. BJP secured 2 seats in Haryana, 3 in Maharashtra and 1 seat each in Himachal Pradesh and Bihar. Trinamool Congress and Biju Janata Dal secured 4 seats each in West Bengal and Orissa. TRS secured 2 seats in Telangana, Congress secured 2 seats in Chhattisgarh and 1 seat each in Haryana and Maharashtra. Elections to the remaining 18 seats in the upper house will be held on March 26 for 1 seat in Manipur and Meghalaya, 2 seats in Jharkhand, 3 seats each in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan and 4 seats each in Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat. The novel coronavirus cases in India rose to 169 on Thursday after 18 fresh cases were reported from various parts of the country. The cases include 25 foreign nationals, 17 from Italy, 3 from the Philippines, 2 from the UK, 1 each belonging to Canada, Indonesia and Singapore. The figure also includes 3 deaths reported from Delhi, Karnataka and Maharashtra so far. Delhi has so far reported 12 positive cases, which include 1 foreigner, while Uttar Pradesh has recorded 17 cases, including 1 foreigner. Maharashtra has 45 cases, including 3 foreigners, while Kerala has recorded 27 cases, which include 2 foreign nationals. Karnataka has 14 coronavirus patients. The number of cases in Ladakh rose to 8 and Jammu and Kashmir 4. Telangana has reported 6 cases, which include 2 foreigners. Rajasthan has also reported 7 cases, including that of 2 foreigners. Tamil Nadu has 2 cases so far. Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Pondicherry, Chandigarh and Punjab have reported 1 case each. In Haryana, there are 17 cases, which include 14 foreigners. The virus has 218,702 people worldwide, out of which 85,751 people have recovered and nearly 9,000 people have died. COVID-19 has killed 3,245 people in China alone, 2,978 in Italy, and 1,135 people in Iran. The Central Board of Secondary Education has postponed all the ongoing board examinations of Class 10 and 12 in view of coronavirus outbreak. According to an official release, the examinations will be rescheduled after 31st of March. The re-examinations that were rescheduled to be held for Northeast Delhi candidates will also be further rescheduled. The rescheduled dates will be communicated by the board to all its stakeholders by the month end after reassessment of the situation, the release said. All ongoing board examinations related evaluation work in various evaluation centers in the country has also been suspended till 31st of March. Railways on Thursday cancelled 84 more trains which will not operate between March 20 and March 31 in view of coronavirus and low occupancy. With these, the total number of cancelled trains has climbed to 155. The national transporter had cancelled around 99 trains on Wednesday night. Railways said that all the passengers having tickets in 3 trains were being informed about the same individually. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Security beefs up in Kamdong district after the March 16 Chasad village tragic incident. Victim villagers in despair with no roofs over their heads. And 37 candidates, including NCP Chief Sharad Pawar and Union Minister Ramdas Atwale, elected unopposed to the Rajya Sabha.